All right, so we finally got this bad boy done. Got the 500 numbering deleted, and then we got the switch. Here's the new switch. This one's the old one. It's broken and doesn't work. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut these and then splice those into there and then solder them and heat shrink them with marine grade, which provides a waterproof connection, and then throw them on. All right, so originally was just gonna pull the pins out. However, in this connector, there's also a ground that goes into it, these two wires. So I decided instead of trying to mess with that, we'll just strip the wires and solder them in. So we'll pull that, set that aside, and what we'll do is we'll give it a little extra length just so we know that it's going to fit.